Flash flooding remains a major threat in the desert Southwest. I'm meteorologist Carissa Kloss. Thanks for joining us here on Weather Nation. For the past few days, we've been tracking Odile as it makes its way to the northeast, bringing tons and tons of moisture into the desert Southwest. That's translating now into pockets of heavy rainfall. Thunderstorm activity moving over the Mexico-Arizona border, and we're expecting a lot more where that comes from. You can see flash flood watches from California into Nevada, across Arizona, even into New Mexico and western parts of Texas. Now, where we're expecting some of the heaviest rainfall is in southeastern Arizona, where Weather Nation's John Van Pelt has more.
I'm here in Tucson at the top of a very high hill overlooking the city. We're at the University of Arizona's research facility. It's a really cool place with plants, and they actually said on the sign, in minutes you could destroy centuries of research. This is a really important place that might have lots of rain falling on it in just a little bit. When you look over the mountains, you can see where it's already raining. Just an hour ago in Phoenix, the rainfall went from 0 to 2 to 3 inches an hour quickly. We had street flooding in literally less than 5 minutes of the rainfall in Phoenix, and here in Tucson we expect very much the same in not too long, probably within the hour or so. And east of us, tropical bands from Odile have been coming in for a couple of hours now, and there are flash flood watches and warnings up all over Arizona. That's the latest from here in Tucson. For Weather Nation, I'm John Van Pelt.
Like John said, a lot of the totals have been very isolated so far. A lot more rain now crossing over the Arizona border, and that's when we're really going to start to see those totals picking up. Just to the southeast of Tucson, really the southeastern corner of Arizona, expecting to see some of the heavier totals in the next 12 hours, and then it's going to spread across New Mexico, where we could see pockets of 2 to 4 inches of rainfall falling on soil that really isn't receptive to this, and that's what brings us that flash flooding threat. And with this system carrying a lot of moisture with it, the remnants of Odile you can see right here, the darker the blue, the more moisture that's associated. It's just now making its way into the U.S. You can see, again, just south of Tucson, you've got that bullseye, a very, very deep moisture in the atmosphere, and that's going to translate into potential rainfall totals. A lot of bullseyes, very heavy rainfall expected into the overnight hours tonight. As we work our way through Thursday, you can see that heavy rain now making its way into much of New Mexico. Widespread rainfall, and then we'll get those heavy thunderstorms, possibly as far north as Albuquerque into Thursday afternoon and Thursday night, and we'll see that moisture moving to the north as we work our way into the end of the week. It looks like by Friday, Arizona will start to dry things out. But again, most important thing to note, we have those flash flood watches in effect through at least the daytime on Thursday. Be smart, be safe, and never ever drive through a flooded roadway.